fractional unit as parts of a whole. This is 6th standard mathematics, Ganita Prakasha, Unit-7, fractions. Fractional unit as a parts of a whole. A fractional unit shows how a whole is divided into equal parts. What is a whole? A whole can be one object, one group, or one quantity. For example, one pizza. This is one pizza, or one chocolate bar, 1 meter, 1 rupee, or etc. What is a fractional unit? See, a fractional unit represents one equal part of the whole. It is written as 1 by n, where n is the number of equal parts. I repeat once again, a fractional units, one equal part of the whole. A fractional unit represents one equal part of the whole. It is written as 1 by n, where n is the number of equal parts. Examples: 1 by 2, one of two equal parts, or else half. 1 by 3, one of three equal parts, or third. 1 by 4, one of four equal parts, or quarter. See, fractional units as a part of a whole. The picture shows a whole chicky. This is a whole chicky. This is whole chicky. A picture of chicky broken into two pieces. Two pieces as shown below. How much of original chicky is each piece? This is 1 by 4 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That means 4 equal parts. In 4 equal parts, it is 1 part. Figure it out. The figures below shows different fractional units of a whole. How much of whole chicky is? Whole chicky is each piece. This is 1 by 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 4. This is 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6. This is 1. No pieces are there. This is a whole part. 1, 2. 1 by 2. This completes. In the next video, measuring using fractional units. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.